Hey everyone, welcome back to Urban Trend Watch. Today we're diving into one of the hottest debates of our time. Will artificial intelligence and automation replace human jobs, or will they create new opportunities for us all? Let's kick things off by looking at the rise of AI. AI has already transformed industries from self-driving cars to diagnosing diseases. It's revolutionizing healthcare, finance, and transportation. But what does this mean for the future workforce? Are we in for a tech takeover or something more balanced? Next up, let's talk about jobs at risk. Studies suggest that up to 40% of current jobs could be automated in the next 2 decades. This includes roles in manufacturing, logistics, and even customer service. Picture factories, warehouses, and retail stores filled with robots handling tasks that humans used to do. It sounds a bit dystopian, right? But hold on, there's more to the story. While some jobs may disappear, new ones are emerging. Think AI engineers, data scientists, and creative roles that require human intuition. People are now coding, working in AI, and handling complex decision-making tasks that machines can't quite master. There's a whole universe of new opportunities opening up. So how can you prepare for the future? The key is continuous learning and adaptation. Whether it's tech skills or creative thinking, being flexible will be crucial in the AI-driven job market. Imagine people learning to code, upskilling in new fields, or using online courses to stay ahead. The possibilities are endless if you're willing to put in the effort. So, will robots take over? The future of work may look different, but with the right approach, humans and AI can coexist to create a more innovative world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Urban Trend Watch for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Now, let's delve deeper into how AI is reshaping specific sectors. In agriculture, AI is optimizing crop yields and reducing waste through precision farming. In education, AI is personalizing learning experiences, making education more accessible and tailored to individual needs. The entertainment industry is also seeing a shift, with AI creating immersive experiences and even generating content. Environmental conservation efforts are being bolstered by AI, which helps in monitoring wildlife and analyzing climate data. Retail is becoming smarter with AI-driven shopping assistants and automated checkout systems, enhancing customer experiences. Security is another area where AI is making strides, with facial recognition and smart surveillance systems improving safety. Even in the creative arts, AI is pushing boundaries, generating music, and assisting in digital art creation. And let's not forget space exploration, where AI is helping us understand the universe by analyzing vast amounts of space data. The future is indeed bright and full of potential as long as we embrace these changes and work alongside AI. So what can you do today to stay ahead? Engage in continuous learning, network with professionals in the field, and stay curious about emerging technologies. Read books, join online forums, and follow tech blogs to keep yourself informed. Practice coding, participate in hackathons, and collaborate on projects to gain hands-on experience. And remember, maintaining a healthy work-life balance is crucial. Take time to relax and recharge. With the right mindset and effort, you can navigate the AI-driven future successfully. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Urban Trend Watch for more insightful content. See you next time.